Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, PET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of have to or has to. We use have to or has to express necessity. Have to or has to should be followed by verb 1. We use have to for I, you, we, and they. And we use has to for he, she, and it. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. You should also try to memorize it and retell it. After that, I'm going to ask you some question about it. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Carol is talking about herself. I have to get up early tomorrow. I have to go to work. I have to walk to the station. I have to take a train to work. I have to do a lot of things. I have to make many telephone calls. And I have to type a lot of letters too. What about you? What do you have to do tomorrow? Then, does Carol have to get up early tomorrow? Does he have to go to work? How does he have to go to work? What time does he have to start work? Does he have to make many telephone calls? Does he have to type letters too? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.